guys, welcome back to GirlSparkles Abel. In today's video, I'm going to be making Moin-Moin. Moin-Moin is basically a bean cake, and it's really nice. I like to eat it with ogi. And by the way, I do not mean ogi as in Oggy and the Cockroaches. This ogi is a type of food, just making that clarification. Which is basically like custard, but I guess glupia. Yeah, so before we go on with this video, I would please like you to subscribe and like this video. If you want to watch my other cooking craze, which I did in January, click the eye above to watch how I made a goosey soup.
My name is Rebecca, my name is Rachel, we are GirlSparkles Abel.
So yeah, we're going to be making Moin-Moin. Let's get started.
So first of all, you're going to pour your beans in a bowl and you're going to get some water, either hot or cold, and pour it onto the beans. It should be soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes. The aim for this is to get the skin off the beans. So then you'll have to start scrubbing it together just to get the skin off. So the process of draining the beans. So you have to pour lots of water, rub it together, and you'll see that the skin floats on the top. So you have to get a sieve to remove the skin from the beans. Some people actually soak the beans overnight, but for today we're going to scrub the beans until most of the skin comes off. After that's done, you're going to chop up your onions, peppers, scotch bonnet, garlic and ginger. Obviously, garlic and ginger are optional, but I just like to give my Moin-Moin a boosted taste. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add your chopped ingredients into your blender and add about half a cup of water and blend it together. Pour the mixture into a bowl and add your Maggi cubes to your taste. And also a pinch of salt. Then you're going to pour half a cup of oil and stir it together with a mixture. You're then going to spray your tins with oil, but if you're not using aluminium tins, then you're just going to have to leave it and pour in the mixture. Make sure your mixture doesn't fill the tin up to the top because we're going to be putting this in water. Earlier on, I pre-boiled some eggs so that I could add them in the middle of the Moin-Moin. You can decide to leave your Moin-Moin plain, but I decided to add some sort of surprise. Then you're going to have a pot and you're going to add your hot water in it and you're going to put it on your highest heat. You know, some people use leaves or they use plastic, but my mum uses aluminium tins instead. Steam for about an hour and check it every 15 minutes. So this is how they turned out and they tasted really good. Share, subscribe, like and turn on the notification bells so you won't miss any of our lovely cooking craze videos. See you in our next videos. Bye!